So I'm Grant Delgatty, and this is the Delgatty G1. This is a project that has been probably 50 years in the making. I mean, I've wanted to design and build my own car for as long as I can possibly remember. A few years ago, when the Corvette C8 was announced, I realized that it had the bones, the making of what I could then sort of rebody. It has a really high performance chassis and drivetrain, and the price point is there that you could actually feel justified by taking the body off and replacing it with something. And so I started to think about the possibility of maybe designing my own body and being able to put that onto the new Corvette. And so a couple years ago, I built a quarter scale model out of foam, made some adjustments, and then over the summer I teach. I'm a faculty at USC, so I have a good amount of time during the summer. And so this summer I took on the challenge of actually building a half-scale clay model. It's something that I've wanted to do for a long time. I don't have a lot of experience with clay modeling, so this was like a new skill set for me that I wanted to learn how to do. And I have a lot of respect for clay modelers, I can tell you that much. It was way harder, take way more time than I thought it would take. But this is the end result. I'm hopefully going to get some interest and potential buyers for the car, maybe some investment potential, and hopefully we can raise some money and build the tooling to build the full size. I want it to be a carbon fiber body, and then I'm working with Cunningham Automotive, who already do performance modifications to the new Corvette. And so they have experience with that, so I'm working with someone that can actually make this happen, and I'm excited. We'll see where it goes.